My people, this our Nigeria university, I don't tire. I don't give up. From private to government, I don't tire for all of them. Now, Nigeria university students, they vex, so they don't come out, they protest. Students of Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University, COOU, then they vex, they protest. Now, this school be the former Anambra State University. For people who don't know COOU, now former Anambra State University. The students where they Uli campus, then don't come out, they protest, so say then they pay school fees of 139,965 naira, naira. Now their school fees, ma put a round figure 140,000 because they no go give them that 25 naira change. I been at 35 naira change. They no go give them. So ma call her 140,000. Then they vex, they protest, say upon these big school fees, then they pay for Nigeria. Say the school no even they do anything for them. Say since 2014 for that school they no get lights. Even the road where they inside school no good. The basic amenities where they school no good. My people, this is barbaric. This is unheard of. This is, I don't know the big grammar to call them again because this one just off me. It tire me. 20. Una know waiting me 2014. How many years ago? Like 7. See, far 2014. Till now, no light for the school. Why students no go vex? Una see the amount of students wey come out they protest. Una see, say everybody write something for cardboard paper. They write them as if they paint them. If you zoom, they see wetin they write. Students they vex. How? My own question be, how students go they pay that amount of money still? They know they do the basic things where school gets. Now my own question. I've been a senior prefect then get there, they no get SUG president and the rest. I no come no rise on a university again on a secondary school. I don't tire for this kind of thing where they happen. And then talk say, if you no pay school fees, if you no pay school, you no go write quiz. They no mention exam, quiz. Now, how serious the school day for school fees matter, but still there no fixed road. They know they give them like how students go take read for nights. How students go take do things where they want do for nights. It's very important. They need to they charge laptop. They need to they charge phone. They need to they carry on other activities for school. They need light. Light is important. Even if the no be 24 hours light, but light supposed day. Even if not 12 hours, then be students. They need light. I know as they be. I was a student before. Nigeria. Now all these things they make people they come up from the country. First of all, they no go give you admission. You go write jam till jam you. You go right posthume till them postpone you. The country don't tire person. People now come decide say okay, maybe then they go private. Even private to go privatize you. Hey, Nigeria, I don't tire. Now why people they come up from the country? Me, I don't. If you get money to come out. Oh. Now my own advice with this: if you get money to leave Nigeria, leave. If you feel say the country not they good for your university, comot. If you say that school no get apparatus, they no get the things where you suppose use, they do practicals, they learn the thing where. Comot if you get money. Oh. Now my advice now they hear my voice because the country don't tire me. Tell me reason why these people no go do all these small things for them, make them feel comfortable for the school. I beg my fellow, okay, I don't be this. I don't follow for COOU students, but if you know say the COOU students are in the watch and you feel say they no mention some things where they no do, make una put them for a comment section why make her they see. Because I wonder what thing they do it. Now one person pay 140K. You never calculate the whole school. Now they no fit fixed road, pull even in a generator, small fuel, make it just work, make people see use. Nothing. Hey, this is unheard of. I beg, make una dey put for the comment section wetin una feel for this matter. I want know university for Nigeria or no university for Nigeria. I want know, hey, if una see scholarship to comot, write exam, try pass, comot. Go where you go feel comfortable. They see lights, they see Wi-Fi. Una dey hear abroad Wi-Fi. You go see am learn well like person wey suppose learn. So, anything wey una feel for this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Please, make una no forget like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next video.